Motherhood after betrayal is a sacred kind of rebuilding the moment when a woman learns that her heart can be both broken and beating beautifully at the same time. It's not about pretending to be fine. It's about rediscovering the woman who exists beneath the pain, the one who now carries both wisdom and tenderness in equal measure. Here's how the healing begins. Step 1. Protect your inner peace. Like its oxygen, after betrayal, peace becomes your rarest possession. Guard it fiercely. You may still share a house, a co-parenting routine, or emotional remnants, but peace is something you reclaim privately. Stop explaining your boundaries. Stop engaging in chaos. Silence is not avoidance. It's emotional hygiene. Each time you choose calm over conflict, your child learns what true maturity looks like. Peaceful mothers raise peaceful children. Step 2. Redefine strength in softness. You don't need to harden to survive. You only need to become wise in your softness. The world equates strength with noise, but real strength whispers. Let your child see that kindness can coexist with clarity and forgiveness can live beside self-respect. You're not raising them through perfection. You're teaching them emotional intelligence through example. Softness is not weakness. It's emotional sophistication. Step 3. Rebuild the woman behind the mother. Betrayal often makes women forget themselves. Before you were a mother, you were a dreamer, a thinker, a creator. She still exists. She's just waiting to be remembered. Take time to nurture you again. Read, walk, learn, glow. Rebuild your sense of beauty and individuality. When your child sees you honoring your own identity, they learn that self-worth is not selfish, it's sacred. A fulfilled mother raises confident children. Step 4. Detach from the story, keep the lessons. Don't rewrite the past to make it kinder, and don't replay it to make it crueler. See it for what it was, a teacher in disguise. Detachment doesn't mean indifference. It means choosing truth over illusion. You can acknowledge what hurt you without letting it define you, and when your child asks about the past one day, you'll answer with calm, not bitterness. When you detach with grace, you rewrite your legacy. Step 5. Build a future rooted in serenity. The final stage is not revenge, it's radiance. You rise not because the world is watching, but because your child is. Create a home filled with gentleness and joy. Build routines that reflect stability. Let laughter return slowly, genuinely. You are no longer surviving the betrayal. You're curating a new life designed by peace and intelligence. When a woman rebuilds with serenity, she becomes unstoppable. Final reflection. Betrayal may have rewritten your past, but motherhood gives you the pen to rewrite your future. You are not broken. You are becoming a masterpiece of resilience. Every meal cooked, every bedtime story whispered, every tear hidden behind a calm smile is proof that your love is stronger than any wound. You are not just a mother after betrayal, you are the architect of grace itself. Subscribe to Thriving-Lorelai 3883, where pain turns into power, heartbreak becomes wisdom, and women learn the rare art of rising beautifully through every storm.